You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. I'll link to a few at the end of this video. Horrendous, let's break it down. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Horrendous, stress on the second syllable, the ren syllable. Horrendous, don't forget the H sound. Horrendous. How to pronounce English pronunciation horrendous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.